Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to block buyer on eBay. To block a buyer, go to eBay block buyer space and enter the exact username. After you enter the exact username into the text box, what you need to do is you need to select on submit. You can add up to 5,000 username to the list. Once blocked, they will be unable to bid, buy or send offers on your listings. Next, what else you can do is from desktop navigate to seller hub. However, the account tab, hover over the account tab and click site preferences. Scroll down to buyer requirements, click edit and add usernames to your list. Or if you are responding to a message from the problematic buyer, simply click the three dots in the top right corner of the message and select block this number. Or, since the app interface is highly simplified, search for a block buyer using the in-app help and contact bar to immediately access the block buyer space. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.